Gladeview Elementary students in Belle Glade show off their best dance moves to celebrate the start of school and a generous donation of backpacks and school supplies.
Having a partner like Office Depot, it just does my heart good.
We wanted these resources to go into the hands of great education leaders, but also with families that can really use the economic benefit of backpacks and supplies, and so it's been a perfect match.
This is the second year of Office Depot's Start Proud program, partnering with the Education Foundation to give students and teachers in some Title I schools essential supplies.
The main thing they're giving here, though, is just dignity, support, hope, and belief.
Rolling Green Elementary students in Boynton Beach are also grateful to receive the support.
Seeing the students feeling that they are prepared and safe in school is such a priority, and it gives them a really good start for the high expectations that we have planned for them this school year.
I like my backpack! It's just the most incredible feeling to see the students so excited and so happy. It's going to be a great school year.
Cheers to a fabulous year. Tricia Shervin for the Education Network, keeping you informed.